3 bedrooms starting from 5.1 million. 4 bedrooms, 6.78 million. 5 bedrooms starting from 10 million. How well is this priced? What is the concept? Does this price make a lot of sense? Is there enough demand? What is the uniqueness in the location, concept and design? These are the kind of questions I am getting from my clients for the newly launched community from Meraas called Acres. Hello everyone, my name is Archana and this is Experience Realty. Today we are going to talk about a community that you can call home for the lifetime. An exclusive villa community that has everything that a homeowner looks for. Let me introduce you to Acres and try to explain why I say so. The brand behind Acres is Meraas. Yes, the very same Meraas that has done quality developments like Blue Waters, Central Park, La Mer, City Walk, Nikki Beach, Bulgari Residences, Port de la Mer and many more. Now, location. Let us talk about that too. Location is key and Meraas understands this very well. Acres is located just 35 minutes from downtown, 15 minutes from Al Maktoum International Airport, 30 minutes from Dubai International Airport. Adjacent to Arabian Ranches, this community has direct access from Emirates Road and Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan Street. 2 to 3 minutes drive from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and easily accessible from Sukaim Street, Hessa Street and Al Khail Road. This community is a central location for all the major landmarks of Dubai. It is closer to IMG World of Adventure, Global Village, Dubai Miracle Garden, Dubai Outlet City, the Dubai Outlet Mall, Mirdaf City Center, Dragon Mart, Farmers Market and many more. Looking at its concept and the features, unlike many other regular communities of Dubai, this community, when studied in detail, is all set to enter the elite club of best communities, a community where your search for final home destination ends and people would like to stay for the lifetime. Such communities are always rare and very few in every city. Let's talk about Dubai. Emirates Hills, Arabian Ranches, Al Barari, Jumeirah Golf Estates, Dubai Hills Golf Side Villas, District 1, Palm Jumeirah are the only few names we can count. If you are a Dubai resident, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Because of the skyrocketing prices and growing demand in this segment, developers have made enough efforts to add few names in different areas of Dubai, which definitely includes Oasis by Emaar towards the new airport side, Palm Jabal Ali by Nakheel as an option of waterfront villa lovers, and Nadal Shiba Gardens by Meraas in central New Dubai. All these projects saw a few hours sellout and only few lucky clients could manage to secure their dream home. With all the above said, Acres becomes a great opportunity in the segment because of many reasons. First is pricing starting from 1,250 dirhams per square foot, where majority of the above communities saw prices starting from approximately 1,800 to 2,500 dirham per square foot. This makes Acres very less priced and leaves a lot of room for investors to make money. Let's dive into a detailed comparative analysis considering the closest communities: Arabian Ranches, Al Barari, Dubai Hills Estate Golf Site, Jumeirah Golf Estate and Tilal Argao. Starting with Arabian Ranches, it stands as the very well-established community, nearly a decade and a half old. The average price per square foot runs between 1,800 to 2,000 dirham per square foot. Now, shifting our focus to Dubai Hills Estate, a noteworthy project of interest is definitely Parkgate. This mix of 4 and 5 bedroom villas starting from 10.4 million dirham with an average price per square foot ranging between 2,200 to 2,500 dirham per square foot. There is a remarkable similarity evident in the master plans of both the Acres and Al Barari. A 4-bedroom independent villa in Al Barari commands a price of 12 million, translating to 2,700 to 3,000 dirham per square foot. Pilar Al Ghaf, a high configuration standalone villa of 5 bedroom, is transacting around 2,000 to 2,500 dirham per square foot. Jumeirah Golf Estate, a standalone villa of 4 bedroom, is transacting between 13.5 to all the way up to 47 million for a 6-bedroom villa. There has not been any development of such exclusive villa community in this area. Al Barari Arabian Ranches have been the only option in this majority exclusive independent villa community segment. If you see the ticket prices of the comparable in these two communities, average decent independent villas are seeking nothing less than 15 million, and the prime independent villas in Al Barari starts from 22 million and goes up to 35 million on an average sale prices. Acres, on the other hand, gives you an opportunity to enter into this segment starting just from 5.1 million, and that too on an amazing payment plan of 65% during construction and 35% at the time of completion. You can imagine what your investment into this community can turn into in a few years' time. And with all the growing market, you might get returns which at this point may look too good to be true. I don't want to quote any numbers, but this looks a very promising community given the fact that Meraas has been a developer that builds and believes in class. Closely looking at the Acres for more accurate analysis, one can compare this with Al Barari, a dense green community just minutes away. Acres as a community has a slightly bigger plot, and on my screen, you can now compare the two master plans. The villas in Acres are designed in similar cluster with a lot of greenery and water bodies. To me, it looks like slightly modified product at a very less price. It's a unique lagoon community with commercial and recreational facilities, pocket parks boasting more generous Sikka sizes, underpasses designed for the seamless movement of cyclists and pedestrians, and an extensive boulevard enhancing the overall ambience of this community. The Acres strategically features 2 access points, elevating accessibility and convenience for its residents. Impressively, 59% of the master plan is dedicated to open spaces and amenities, ensuring an environment that seamlessly blends with nature. Now that's something end users will love and appreciate. People searching for villas in 15-year-old Arabian ranches may consider it an option for themselves. A community that is 20 years younger to the legendary community. The Acres introduces an exciting option of residences catering to diverse preferences. The Acres goes above and beyond by offering even grander options with 6 and 7 bedroom villas. What truly sets the Acres apart, it is thoughtfully crafted master plan, keeping residents, community, nature and overall experience at the front foot. If you have been waiting for this moment, then now is the time to act. Simply get in touch with us today and we are ready to assist you in reserving your preferred unit in the Acres. Thank you for your time and attention, and if you have any questions or would like more information, please feel free to reach out to us on the numbers mentioned below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to download our new amazing application PropTube, where you can watch detailed property videos and analysis by RERA certified experts only. Signing off, Archana Bhan, Experience Realty.